And actually, my best friend growing up, this kid named Ben Bramfin, at his bar mitzvah, there was a klezmer trio that played after lunch. Or at the reception or something. And the bassist was an upright bassist, and he let me play his bass because I said, "Oh, hey, can I try playing that?" And so that was actually one of my first times playing upright bass. It was sort of a funny coincidence. And the teacher who I'd been studying with, my parents said, "Okay, you want to play bass? You take lessons." So I started studying with this guy who also played upright bass, and he sort of encouraged me to make the switch. So then after my bar mitzvah, I got an upright bass, which was wonderful, and started playing from there. Later on, I guess when I was about 16 or 15 or 16, my parents have a friend, David Ackerman, who's come to class camp a couple of times actually, and plays mandolin and recorders. He would come over to our house on Shabbat afternoons, I guess for about a year and a half or 2 years, and he would play klezmer tunes with my brother and I. So it was like reading out of the complete klezmer. And he would also have like Israeli tunes, and we play those too. My parents gave me, I guess when I was maybe 13, gave my brother and I a couple of CDs, the Klezmatics Jews with Horns and the New Orleans Klezmer All-Stars. And I didn't really like the Klezmatics disc at first. I was like, what is this stuff? Like the first track on that album, the man in the I've got a man in a kaftan, and I was like, yeah, what is this? And I like had this vision of the singer being like this skinny, like hunched over Hasidic guy. From there, I guess I didn't really like that CD so much, and then listened to it, I guess 5 years later, and I was like, oh, okay. I started to understand what they're doing.